So in this one, we've actually done it. What we've done is we've put the video together, so we'll put it on for you so you can see it. But it's going to be all of the moving the
oil tank.
Oil tank, yeah. Because we said it's at the back in this far side. We're just stood in the garage sheltering out the weather at the minute. But the oil tank is in the way of the left-hand side of the garage, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to get the garage built next to it, and we've got to shift that down. Plus the fact, for the shift it, we've got to make a new stand for it as well, because the stand that's actually on is rotten. It's ready for collapsing, to be quite honest. So we'll have to shift it anyway.
We'll put fuel in it before we first got here, and I think the fuel tank sank down on one side. Having half a ton of fuel there.
But we built a brilliant stand for it. It's stuff that we had left off the old garage we used to have there, the racking we had, what was too big for it, the stand. We cut bits off it and that, and this has made the stand for the tank here. We welded them all up and made the stand for it.
Put the port like sort of
concrete in the ground.
Concrete in the ground,
right. Yeah.
So made a new stand, so that's, you'll see us make that and put the oil tank chassis, the oil butt, move that down on top of it.
Yeah.
But take the pipe out and that and reroute the pipe for us.
But you see what we've done?
And also the posts, we've carried on with working on posts, working down the side of the garage. Put the posts in, so we've got the other few posts going down the side, and we've got that little bit of problem with the water coming in the back. You'll see we're not finished with that yet, but we're trying to sort of put a bit of a drain in. But I started in that. You'll see the video, we'll start putting a bit of a trench in the back.
Yeah, well, you see, we've got the posts in, but we still have to divert the water that's going around, it's coming off the field, really.
It is, well, you see a little bit in this.
Drainage off the field, blood, where the water comes from.
There's a little bit we've done where I've dug the trench out down the back, which is in this video, actually, you'll see the water.
Yeah.
But, anyway, it doesn't look like a lot, but it's taking ages.
It takes time.
It
takes time, but we're getting there. We are getting there.
Slowly.
We've actually done well.
Aye, we are. Anyway, I'll stick the film on, or the video on, so you can watch the rest of what we're getting on with. But
We'll have the seat doing now.
Right then. More trench digging. So it's absolutely pouring with rain. We have had a lot of rain the last couple of days. It's we really need to take care of this area down the bottom here, which is getting flooded. It's all just blown off the field, which is behind the camera, into this corner, and then just flown into the garage, and it's actually come through the garage towards the drains at the front. So I just did a temporary diversion, as you saw a little while ago. We're starting to put posts in the back now, so what I want to do is I'll be digging a good trench right from the bottom, so of a good spade's depth and width further down, because the field just flows all the way down around the side of the garden here. So as long as I take it down the side of the garden, it'll just flow off into the field. So I'm going to put a French drain in, some pipe in at the bottom, and like I say, dig that spade's depth and width, drop a load of gravel in, and then perforated pipe in right at the top corner here, then take it back along the corner of the garage, just where the flow of the water's coming into, just to carry it away. So, what a mess on. Anyway, crack on with it. So get this done, and then we'll get the rest of the posts in. I think we'll be putting the posts down that side in, but it's so wet. I want to get this trench in where it's wet, get rid of some of the cloth. Dear me, crack on anyway. just a case of we want the string length from the top from the back post to the front post to get our height for the 2 centre posts which we're digging now. Makes sense.
I took another one in.
Can't do that, lads. Plonk it in. Get them backwards.
I'll get another one.
Yeah.
Right.
Fence beam there.